Samsung has officially introduced its newest software update, and now many users are wondering which phones will get it next. The stable version of One UI 8.5 has already debuted on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series, but it looks like the company may soon expand the beta program to more devices. At the moment, the beta version of One UI 8.5 has mainly been limited to the Samsung Galaxy S25 lineup, including the Samsung Galaxy S25 and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. These phones were among the first to test the new software before the final version was released. Now that the Galaxy S26 lineup is officially available and running the stable version of the software, Samsung appears ready to move forward with the next stage of testing. Reports suggest that the One UI 8.5 beta could soon arrive on Samsung's newest foldable phones. Two devices expected to receive the update next are the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Both of these foldable smartphones are considered premium devices, so it makes sense for Samsung to bring the latest software features to them early. New information indicates that the first beta firmware for these foldables has already been spotted on Samsung's internal servers. This is an important detail because it usually signals that a public beta release may not be too far away. Before a beta program becomes available to users, Samsung typically runs internal testing builds. These builds are used by developers and internal teams to identify major bugs and stability problems. Once the company is confident that the software is stable enough, those internal builds are replaced with beta firmware that can be released to the public. This process appears to be happening right now for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. The appearance of beta firmware suggests Samsung has made real progress and could be preparing to allow more users to test the update. There is also a possible reason why Samsung waited until now to expand the beta program. The company likely wanted to ensure that the Galaxy S26 series was fully launched and available in stores before shifting attention to other devices. Once a new flagship lineup is released, Samsung usually begins pushing updates to the rest of its premium smartphones. While the foldable phones may be next in line, many users are also asking about older devices. Some people are hoping the beta program could reach phones released before 2025 as well. One device that frequently comes up in these discussions is the Samsung Galaxy S23. Development of One UI 8.5 has reportedly been ongoing for this model for some time. However, that does not automatically guarantee a public beta release for it. Samsung sometimes chooses to skip the beta stage for older devices, and instead release the stable update directly when it is ready. This means that even though internal development is happening for phones like the Galaxy S23, they might not necessarily receive the beta program. For many users, the beta program is exciting because it provides early access to new features and improvements. However, beta software can also come with bugs, glitches, or performance issues since it is still in testing. That is why Samsung usually limits beta programs to a smaller number of devices first. Flagship models like the Galaxy S25 series and the newest foldable phones are often prioritized because they represent the company's most advanced hardware. If the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 join the beta program soon, it will give Samsung more testing data from real users. This helps the company fix issues faster before rolling out the final stable update to a wider range of devices. For now, the key takeaway is that the One UI 8.5 rollout is still in progress. The Galaxy S26 series already runs the final version, the Galaxy S25 lineup has been testing the beta, and Samsung may soon expand that testing to its newest foldable phones. More details about the beta program, including eligible devices and supported regions, could be announced soon. Until then, users waiting for the update will need to keep an eye on official announcements, as Samsung continues preparing the next phase of its software rollout.